What's up guys, it's Peter from Extra Magic, and today I'm going to give you guys a full walkthrough tour of the new Toy Story Land at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So when you come down the pathway here to the main entrance, you're greeted with this nice sign with Woody up there and Toy Story Land. There's also all these connects all over. The theming here is really nice. They have these blocks on the ground and toy soldier up there. There's Slinky Dog Dash up there. Jesse and Rex. Here comes Slinky, coming down right now. They also have these nice Christmas lights hanging over the whole walkway here. Really a nice touch. I still haven't seen this at night. I would really love to though. Here's Toy Story Mania on the left. This is where they have the meet and greet with Woody and Jesse. They're not there right now, but they were there a little earlier. Coming Slinky again. Again, the theming in here is really cool. It looks like a backyard. All the overgrown plants and everything. Really nice theming around this coaster. Let's walk a little deeper into the land here. I really like this big ball. Really cool looking, really good spot for a picture. Over here is Woody's Lunchbox. I had a really good grilled cheese sandwich here the other day. I would definitely recommend doing the mobile order here, as you can skip the line and you head right up to the front to pick up your order. Right now there's really no line because we're here kind of late. But usually this line's through this entire thing here. Again, I love the theming. Really good theming across this entire land. Here's Alien Swirling Saucers off to the right. Here's the entrance to Alien Swirling Saucer. You have Buzz standing right outside here. Even the restrooms are themed really well over here. The outside of the restroom is super cool. They often have these green soldiers walking around. So if you come back this way, Slinky Dog is actually in this corner over here to the left. It's right back here with this cool little bridge. The coaster actually goes underneath this bridge. Here we go! Really good roller coaster. It's a lot of fun. Here we go! Again, you have these nice Christmas lights that hang across all the walking areas in here. They're really cool. Also, here's a cool little touch. You see the green toy soldiers. They're actually the ones hanging the Christmas lights. If you look, it starts here and it goes across. And they see they're wrapped around there. They go all the way across, and it's the toy soldiers that are actually the Green Army men that are hanging them. Really, really cool touches here. Looks like Woody and Jesse are back. There's Buzz over there again. Alright, well this has been a quick tour of Toy Story Land. Make sure if you're not subscribed to the channel that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as I'm always uploading new Disney and Universal vlogs, tours, and ride POVs. Also, let me know in the comments if there's anything specific that you guys want to see here at Disney or Universal. Again, I'm Peter from Extra Magic, and I'll see you guys next time.